If you want someone to upload videos on your behalf, then you need to add them as a YouTube manager to your channel. To do that, it just takes a few minutes and I'm going to show you how. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go up to this profile picture at the top and you just click it and you should see your YouTube channel name. If you do not see the right channel name that you're wanting to add a manager to, then you need to switch accounts, and you can do that right here. When you're ready, go down to settings and you're just going to click this. You should see a page similar to this where it shows your channel information, and it'll have this section here saying channel managers, and what you're going to do is you're just going to click on add or remove managers. Alright, now you should see brand account details. You'll have your YouTube channel name there, and it's telling you what permissions you're giving the user access to. And you're going to click on this blue button. It should show the current channel users and managers and everyone that you currently have. Just click on this icon up here that says invite new users. So you're going to click on this little icon there. And so then you type in the name or email address. I would suggest that you use an email address to make sure it goes to the right person. And so for this, I'm just going to use one of my own email addresses. So I'm just going to click that, and I'm going to choose a role. So you can, if you choose an owner, they'll have the same permissions as you. That may or may not be something that you want. It would give them the ability to add new users and different things and access all the permissions over the channel. If you just want them to manage content, then you would probably want to just choose a manager. So you can say, okay, manager. They also have communications manager, so I think that is probably something to do with comments and stuff, but I haven't used that one. Once you've put in the one or more people that you want to make managers, you're just going to click on invite, and then it's going to send out an email to them inviting them to be a manager for the channel. And so if you've made a mistake and you need to revoke that permission at any time, you can go into this section and you can just click this X, and then you just confirm revoke, and that will remove them. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.